Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I want to share with you a very simple recipe with the sea salt. It is body scrub. So what you're gonna need is a little container. Then I had a sea salt. I have in here 100 grams of the sea salt. So just pouring the sea salt in, and then I have in here a sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, as I mentioned before in my videos, it's very good for your skin. It absorbs fast into your skin. It has healing properties, has so many vitamins. It's very good. But if you don't have sweet almond oil, use other oil. You can use a coconut oil or olive oil, any other oil. So I have in here 30 grams of sweet almond oil. What we're gonna need now, I have in here fresh mint, which smells fantastic. But if you don't have fresh mint, you can use dry mint. So I'm having here about 1 or 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. I'm gonna just put all in here, and I'm gonna add now peppermint essential oil. I will add now 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. The beginning, I might will add more, we'll see. And I'm gonna add some grapefruit essential oil, which is so good for your skin. It improves circulation, it has detoxifying properties. It's very good, and I really love to use grapefruit essential oil in my coffee scrub as well, and in other things, in so many things. And I'm gonna add 5 drops of grapefruit essential oil. Yes. Okay. So I'm just gonna mix everything together. Oh, lovely smell, amazing. And this fresh mint really gives, you know, this nice smell. That dry mint probably won't be, not gonna give such a nice smell. And guys, as you know, sea salt, has pretty big pieces. If you see that the sea salt for your skin is too rough, don't worry, like change it for the table salt. Yeah. Okay. I might will add a little bit of peppermint essential oil, another few drops, because I just love mint. And just to do a very good mix. Mix it oils with the salt. Amazing. I have it here. And I'm just gonna transfer in an airtight container, which I have it here. And guys, this can last to you up to a few months. Just the thing is, when you're using it for the body scrub, make sure you know not to put your wet hands back into container, because otherwise it's gonna get all the bacteria and it start to mold or something. Make sure if you're using with the shower, just get the spoon and just actually, and with the spoon then put on your hands and just scrub your body. Okay, perfect. Lovely smell, and I have it here. Yeah, amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you have any comments, write in the comment section below. As I said, you can substitute any other oils or any essential oil, or maybe if you don't want to use mint or you don't like it, use the lavender, use different herbs, and yeah, very simple to make, and it's very good for your skin. So see you next time. Bye.